Go.
Hello sa iyo dyan! Nandito tayo ngayon sa panibagong video sa ating buhay and welcome back to my Young 26 YouTube channel! For today's video, we will having a flexing on what is in our policy or policy. Should always remember, policy. Oh, policy. Honesty is the best palisay. Yes, and now we will having a flexing on the inside of our palace. Yes, and first we have a imported comfort area, smoking area where other people who are still loving with responsible. And here it is. Oh my God, it's so very annoying. What is this? So ayun, edit lagi sa panibagong video sa ating buhay dahil nga we will having ang flexing. Come here, edit. Sorry. So, wala po kaming perang pangupaan sa ating palis ng ating roadway. Yes. But, hindi nyo alam, meron akong 1 million karat gold silver. Ito ay necklace or dog necklace. Yes, here it is. Try to fix it. And here it is. We have a dog necklace. I buy this
Pak girl, sino ka dyan?
for 1 million pesos. Yes. So after that, we will having a flexing of our water pump. Water pumping. Yes. Here it is. We have a water pump here because if you pump this one like that, you will see a water.
Ha?
Try to see it. See it. Yes, it's a Havana water. Water of Arcturus and kangaroo. Yes, and now we will having a in the front of view of our palace. It is beautiful. Yes, you don't know why? Because we have a flower pot or flowery ring. Yes, this is flower ring. Look at this. Flowery ring. Yes, and here it is, the front of view of our palace. It's look like policy. Yes, it's policy, and we have another fruits here. So let's try to see it. So we have a jack fruits or fruit jack. Yes, let's try to enter or entrance from the beautiful country. Let's go. Aray. So we have annoying here of Arcturus and kangaroo. Let's try to eat. Hilaw. It's not annoying on me. That there's a lot of people who believe in me. So let's try to go in the back and let's move on. So guys, hi guys, if you enjoyed our video for today's video, this is a short vlog, but next day I will make a vlog that will be flexing our fruits and kangaroo here of my palace. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My Young 26, ang inyong gwapa.